In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Brevo contacts. Exporting your contacts from Brevo is really useful if you want to back them up, move them to another platform, or analyze them in a spreadsheet. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to download the information you need. First, log into your Brevo account. Once you're logged in and you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. In the left panel, find the option labeled CRM and click on it. As soon as you click CRM, you'll automatically be taken into the contacts section, where all of your stored contacts are listed. Now that you're inside contacts, you'll see your contact list laid out in a table. At the very top of that table, on the header row, there's a checkbox in the first column. Click this checkbox to select all the contacts currently visible in your list. When you do this, a new menu or bar will appear at the top of the list with additional options. Look for the button labeled More Actions and click on it. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose the Export option. This tells Brevo that you want to export the selected contacts. The page will reload and you'll be taken to a screen where you can customize what information you want to export. Here, you can select the specific attributes you'd like to include, such as names, email addresses, or any custom fields you've set up. Take a moment to review these choices so you're not exporting more data than you need. You can repeat the same kind of selection for system data as well as subscription details, depending on what's relevant for you. On the right side of this page, you'll see a section called the File Setup card. Here, you'll choose how your exported file is formatted. Start by picking a column separator. You can choose either a semicolon or a comma. If you plan to open the file in Excel or another spreadsheet tool, make sure you pick the separator that works best with your local settings. Next, choose your delivery and preferences. You can decide to receive the export by email, and you can also tell Brevo to remember these preferences for next time if you want to speed up future exports. When everything looks good, go to the top right corner and click Start Export. The page will reload again and bring you back to your main contacts page. At the bottom of the screen, you should see a notification saying something along the lines of exporting number of contacts. This can take a few moments. That message confirms that Brevo has started processing your export in the background. Once it's done, you'll receive your file according to the delivery option you chose, and your Brevo contacts will be successfully exported.